Property insurance is first-party insurance because it protects an insured against losses incurred from injury to the insured's own property. And if the insurance is an all-risks policy, then the insurer must compensate for covered losses caused by any peril not expressly excluded by the policy. The typical covered loss is physical loss or damage to the insured property. In Port Authority of New York and New Jersey versus Affiliated FM Insurance Company, we explore what qualifies as physical loss or damage. The Port Authority of New York and New Jersey and its subsidiary, the Port Authority Trans-Hudson Corporation, which we'll refer to collectively as the Port Authority, owned numerous buildings in New York and New Jersey. Many were constructed using asbestos products. Beginning in the 1980s, the Port Authority engaged in abatement projects to remove the asbestos from certain facilities. Throughout the projects, the facilities remained in normal use, and the asbestos levels were within accepted safety regulations. The Port Authority had property insurance through multiple insurance providers, including Affiliated FM Insurance Company. The policy stated that the Port Authority was protected against all risks of physical loss or damage. Relying on those provisions, the Port Authority submitted claims for the costs of 69 asbestos abatement projects. It alleged that the costs were covered because the presence of asbestos, as well as the threatened and actual release of asbestos fibers into the air, constituted physical loss or damage. The insurance companies refused to pay, prompting the Port Authority to sue them in New Jersey State Court. The case was then removed to Federal District Court, where the insurance companies argued that the Port Authority hadn't suffered any physical loss or damage triggering coverage. The District Court granted summary judgment in the insurance company's favor, holding that the presence of asbestos without impact on a building's functionality was insufficient to constitute physical loss or damage. The Port Authority appealed to the Third Circuit.